It's like I can't walk on the ceiling.
Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Ashimary once again. Same packaging as before, very professional, very clean. All right, first thing I'm seeing as a goodie is a white tooth comb. As you can see, there is the wig, which we're gonna get into in a few, and there's a bag with goodies. All right, I got an edge brush and comb, I got a elastic band, I got some cluster lashes, a pair of wig caps, and there's also a information booklet. Now for today's wig, this is a fully pre-styled body wave drawstring wig. It's highlighted, as you can see, and it's a 7x5 closure. This is a complete wear and go wig, okay? Perfectly constructed. It has combs on the inside and an elastic band, as you can see. I'm going to put all the specifications down below in the description box, so the density and the specific length will be listed. Ashimary did their big one. Look at it. As I slip it on, it looks so good. I went ahead and I adjusted the drawstring in the back, so you can just adjust that to make it as snug as you want, and it's really great for more security. So this is lovely for my beginners and all the people who don't have a lot of time to, you know, get their hair done and they still want to look cute. Plus, this is quite affordable. I went ahead and just went in with a little bit of my face powder to camouflage the lace in the front a little bit more. This is a HD lace, by the way, but look at that pluck job. It is done to perfection. This is gorgeous. This is going to be great for the summertime as well. You know, with the color job, the length, the fact that it's pre-styled, the fact that it's glueless. We do not have to confine this to our heads, okay? Love that down. And then, as you can see, it even came with that little swoop there on the side, done for you already. Like, everything is done for you. And now I'm going in with my hot comb just to get, you know, the top a little bit more laid. I'm really just a perfectionist, but because it was in the box as well, you know, it got, you know, I feel like, you know, you can go over little parts of it if you feel the needs be, but really you could just pull this straight out of the box and go. Okay, I didn't have to go back in and curl the hair whatsoever. Let's talk about how silky smooth this wig also is. It is so smooth, and the fact that it's colored and not coarse, I was gagged. Yeah, it maintained that silky feel, and it feels, I don't know, it's immaculate. Ashimary really did their big one on this, and as you can see, I was just taking my time to go through any parts that I felt like I wanted to be a little bit more laid with my hot comb. And then I went in to show you once more that it is still glueless. Didn't apply any spray, any glue, none of that. And pretty much that's it. I just played around with it to, you know, further fluff it out and, you know, frame it to my face, I guess. But that's pretty much it, guys. That is it. There's not much to today's install. It is so beginner friendly. I 10 out of 10 highly recommend. Also, I wasn't getting any shedding at the time. I mean, all wigs are gonna shed over time, but it's to what extent? All right, so far not even minimal shedding. I haven't even gotten a strand, so that's really great. And let's talk about how lightweight the wig is as well. It didn't come with any weird smell. It's just immaculate. Now, if you want to go in and switch the look up, you can definitely do that. So I did do like a styling option here where I just put the hair up with my claw clip. Nothing crazy, nothing technical. Anybody can do this. If you want to go in and you want to switch the parting up, you can do that, because as I said, this is a 7x5 closure. Well, isn't that just cute? But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's wig look. I hope you found this informative. If you like this wig, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Stay tuned for more looks. You know, as I said, the direct link to this wig will be in my description box, as well as all the specifications. That's it for today's gorgeous wig look. Shout out to Ashimary once more, and stay tuned for my next wig look. Until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.